Welcome to today's class. Thank you for joining us. In our last class, we were able to prove the Pythagoras theorem, where we established that in a right-angled triangle, taking the longest side of this right-angled triangle as the hypotenuse, which it is, according to the law, or from the proof, rather, we're able to establish that the square of b, being the longest side, is going to give us the sum of the squares of these two sides. That is what the law is all about. That's what the law entails. Now, today, we want to use the Pythagoras theorem in solving some questions. So, you stay tuned. If today is your first time of joining us, you are welcome. Thank you so much. This is Ejimofor tutorial. We are on YouTube at Ejimofor tutorial. We are on Instagram, Twitter. We are also on TikTok and Facebook. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that once I upload a new content, you'll be the first person to see it. Alright, now today we want to solve two questions using the Pythagoras theorem. And in question a rectangle is drawn. Rectangle A, B, C, and D is drawn with a diagonal AC, and we are asked to find the diagonal AC. Alright, now what are we going to do? Now watch out. Just to bring out this portion, this A, B, C, including the diagonal of this particular rectangle. Look at it. Here is our A, here is our B and C. Here is that where we are asked to find this diagonal. Look at it here. Here is 35. Here is 12. All in centimeters, and we are asked to find this place. From the law, we established that the longest side being c squared, being c, that the square of this c will give us the sum of the squares of the two other sides, a squared plus our b squared. Can you now see? So that when you apply this law here now, taking here as this particular place, taking 35 as A, taking 12 as B, just put that 5 in, put our hypotenuse here, say B, put it here, B squared is going to give us that A squared is 35 squared, plus our B squared, which is this particular one. You get the point? So, this one now, can you now see? 35 squared is 1225. Plus our 12 squared, 144. So that when you add it up, when you have 1225 plus 144, you have 9, you have 6, you have 3. So that when you add up, we are going to have 1369. Then how are we going to get our b? Remember, we're asked to find b, not b squared. So take the square root of both sides. When you take the square root of both sides now, you are going to have that this can go, we are left to b. Then b now is equal to, is going to give us a 37 cm. That is how to use the Pythagoras theorem in solving questions involving right angle triangle. You can check it at your own convenience and to know if we are correct or not. Alright, let us quickly rush to number 2. Okay, look at number 2. In number 2, look at our number 2 here. In number 2, here is our x, here is y, and here is z. In number 2, the longest side is given 58 meters. Then this side is given 42 meters. And here we don't know this place. That is to say, in this particular triangle now, is another form of it. Here, remember in the first one, we were not given the hypotenuse. This time around, the C is given, but one of this is not given. Can you now see? That's to say that another way of writing this law is this. If you are looking for any smaller side, that is, say you are looking for any smaller side, say A, it's going to be the longest side now minus one of the smallest side. The same thing is applicable to this particular place now. If you want to get this particular side AC now, it's going to be C squared minus A squared. Can you now see? So that is exactly what we are going to do here. Now we want to get this particular place. That's to say that our x squared now is going to give us, look at our C here, the longest side, 58 squared minus 42 squared. You see, squared now is going to give us 3364 minus 42 squared is going to give us 1764. 1764. That's what it's going to give us. So that when you take away this from this, you have 1600, 1600. Remember, what did we do in the other one? Remember, we are looking for x, not x squared. So for us to get our x squared, take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. So that the square root of this one now, this and this. So square root of 1600 is going to give us what? 40 meters. So that is it. That is how to use the Pythagoras theorem in solving a question like this. You can check it by putting 58 here, putting 42 here, and putting 40 here. Let me give you same quantity in the left hand side, will be the same thing in the right hand side.